Today I'm super pumped to show you guys the top 5 tools that every single car owner needs to have in their arsenal for DIY repairs. Trust me, having these tools on hand will not only save you a ton of money in the long run, but also give you the confidence to tackle those car problems head on. We're talking essential tools here, the kind that'll make you feel like a total car repair rock star. Let's get started. Alright, let's kick things off with the holy grail of car repair, the socket set. This versatile tool is an absolute must-have in any mechanic's arsenal. Whether you're a professional or a DIY enthusiast, a socket set is indispensable. It's the Swiss Army knife of car repair tools, offering a range of sizes and types to tackle any job you throw at it. This bad boy is your go-to for loosening and tightening bolts and nuts of all shapes and sizes. From the tiniest screws to the largest bolts, a socket set can handle it all. It's designed to provide a snug fit, ensuring that you can apply the right amount of torque without damaging the fastener. Trust me, you'll be using this for pretty much every repair under the sun. Whether you're working on the engine, the suspension, or even the interior, a socket set will come in handy. It's the kind of tool that once you start using, you'll wonder how you ever managed without it. Now, a good socket set will have a variety of both metric and standard sizes, because you never know what you're going to run into. Different car manufacturers use different standards, so having both types ensures you're always prepared. It's like having a universal key that fits every lock. You'll want both deep and shallow sockets too. Deep sockets are great for reaching bolts that are recessed or in tight spots, while shallow sockets are perfect for bolts that are more accessible. Having both types in your toolkit means you're ready for any situation. Deep sockets are awesome for those hard-to-reach bolts, while shallow sockets are perfect for when you've got limited space. Imagine trying to reach a bolt that's buried deep within the engine bay. A deep socket makes that job so much easier. On the other hand, shallow sockets are ideal for quick jobs where space isn't an issue. And don't forget about the ratchet. This is the tool that brings it all together. The ratchet allows you to apply continuous motion in one direction, while preventing motion in the opposite direction, making it incredibly efficient. This handy tool attaches to the socket and gives you the leverage you need to break those stubborn bolts loose. It's designed to make your life easier by providing the mechanical advantage needed to tackle even the most challenging bolts. Plus, it makes the whole process way faster and easier on your hands. No more struggling with wrenches that slip or don't provide enough torque. The ratchet streamlines the process, allowing you to work more efficiently and with less effort. I always recommend investing in a high-quality socket set, even if it costs a bit more upfront. Quality tools are an investment in your work and your sanity. A good set will be durable, reliable, and precise, making every job easier and more enjoyable. A good set will last you forever and make your life so much easier in the long run. Think of it as a long-term investment. High-quality tools are less likely to break or wear out, saving you money and frustration over time. Plus, there's nothing worse than a cheap socket snapping in half when you're in the middle of a repair. It's not just inconvenient, it can also be dangerous. A broken tool can cause injury or damage to your vehicle, turning a simple repair into a major headache. Talk about a mood killer. Imagine being halfway through a job and having your tool break on you. It's frustrating and can set you back hours. So do yourself a favor and invest in a quality socket set. Your future self will thank you. Next up, we've got the dynamic duo of car repair safety, the Jack and Jack stands. These tools are absolutely essential for anyone who plans to do any work underneath their vehicle. Whether you're a seasoned mechanic or a weekend DIY enthusiast, having a reliable jack and sturdy jack stands can make all the difference in ensuring your safety. Seriously guys, if you're going to be working under your car, you need to have these tools. No exceptions. It's not just about convenience. It's about protecting yourself from potential accidents. Imagine the peace of mind you'll have knowing that your car is securely lifted and supported while you work. A jack is what you'll use to lift your car off the ground, giving you the clearance you need to get underneath. It's the first step in any undercar repair or maintenance task. But remember, lifting the car is just the beginning. The real safety comes from what you do next. There are a bunch of different types of jacks out there, but a floor jack is going to be your best bet for most DIY repairs. Floor jacks are designed to be stable and easy to use, making them ideal for lifting your car quickly and safely. They come in various sizes and weight capacities, so make sure to choose one that's appropriate for your vehicle. Now here's where the jack stands come in. Once you've got your car lifted up with the jack, you absolutely, positively need to lower it onto jack stands. This is a crucial step that should never be skipped. Jack stands are designed to hold the weight of your car securely, providing a stable base for you to work under. Once you've got your car lifted up with the jack, you absolutely positively need to lower it onto jack stands. This is a crucial step that should never be skipped. Jack stands are designed to hold the weight of your car securely, providing a stable base for you to work under. They come in pairs, and you should always use them in pairs to ensure even support. Jack stands are designed to securely support the weight of your car, so you can work underneath without the fear of it collapsing on you. They are built to be strong and durable, with a wide base to prevent tipping. When used correctly, jack stands can give you the confidence to tackle any undercar repair job. I can't stress this enough. Never ever work under a car that's only supported by a jack. Jacks are meant for lifting, not for holding the car in place while you work. Relying solely on a jack is a recipe for disaster. Always use jack stands to ensure your safety. Jacks are designed for lifting, not supporting, and they can fail without warning. Hydraulic jacks in particular can lose pressure over time, causing the car to slowly lower itself. This is why it's so important to use jack stands in conjunction with your jack. They provide a fail-safe that can prevent accidents and injuries. Jack stands are your insurance policy, your safety net. Always use them. By taking the time to properly lift and support your car, you're not only protecting yourself, but also ensuring that your repair work is done safely and effectively. So, invest in a good set of jack stands and make them a permanent part of your car repair toolkit. Your safety is worth it. Now let's talk about a tool that's all about precision, the torque wrench. This handy tool is used to tighten bolts to a specific torque specification, which is super important for preventing damage to your car's components. You see, over-tightening a bolt can be just as bad as under-tightening it. Over-tightening can strip the threads or even break the bolt, while under-tightening can cause things to come loose. That's where the torque wrench comes in. A torque wrench allows you to apply the exact amount of torque specified by the manufacturer, ensuring that everything is tightened to spec. This is especially important for critical components like suspension parts, engine mounts, and wheel lugs. Using a torque wrench is super easy. You just set the desired torque on the wrench and then tighten the bolt until you hear a click. That click tells you that you've reached the specified torque and you're good to go. Alright, let's move on to a tool that's often overlooked but totally essential. The screwdriver set. You'd be surprised how many screws there are in a car, and you'll need a good set of screwdrivers to handle them all. At the bare minimum, you'll want a set that includes both flathead and Phillips head screwdrivers in a variety of sizes. Flathead screwdrivers have a single, flat blade, while Phillips head screwdrivers have a cross-shaped tip. But hey, if you really want to be prepared for anything, I recommend getting a set that also includes Torx screwdrivers. Torx screws are becoming more and more common on cars these days, and they have a star-shaped recess that requires a special screwdriver. And don't forget about the importance of using the right size screwdriver for the job. Using a screwdriver that's too small can strip the screw head, making it a real pain to remove. Last but not least, we've got the pliers set, your go-to tool for gripping, bending, and cutting wires and other materials. Pliers are incredibly versatile and can be used in a variety of situations, from simple household tasks to complex car repairs. Whether you're a professional mechanic or a DIY enthusiast, a reliable set of pliers is indispensable. They come in different shapes and sizes, each designed for specific tasks, making them a must-have in any toolbox. Trust me, a good set of pliers will come in handy for all sorts of car repairs. From gripping and holding parts in place to bending wires and cutting through tough materials, pliers are the unsung heroes of the automotive world. Imagine trying to remove a stubborn bolt or reach into a tight space without the right tool. It would be nearly impossible. That's where pliers come in, making your job easier and more efficient. There are a ton of different types of pliers out there, but a few essentials for your car repair arsenal include needle nose pliers, slip joint pliers, and diagonal cutting pliers. Each type has its own unique features and uses. Needle nose pliers are great for precision work, slip joint pliers offer adjustable versatility, and diagonal cutting pliers are perfect for cutting tasks. Having these three types will cover most of your needs, but there are many other specialized pliers that can be useful for specific jobs. Needle nose pliers have a long, narrow jaw that's perfect for reaching into tight spaces and gripping small objects. They're ideal for tasks that require precision and control, such as electrical work or delicate repairs. The slender design allows you to get into areas that would be impossible to reach with other tools, making them invaluable for intricate tasks. Slip joint pliers have an adjustable jaw that can be widened or narrowed to grip objects of different sizes. This versatility makes them incredibly useful for a wide range of tasks. Whether you need to hold a small nut or a larger bolt, slip joint pliers can be adjusted to provide the perfect grip. They're also great for bending and twisting wires, making them a versatile addition to your toolkit. And diagonal cutting pliers are designed specifically for cutting wires and cables. Their sharp, angled blades make clean cuts with minimal effort, which is essential for electrical work and other tasks that require precision cutting. Whether you're trimming wires, cutting through cable ties, or snipping off excess material, diagonal cutting pliers provide the cutting power you need. Having a variety of pliers on hand will allow you to tackle a wider range of repairs and make your life a whole lot easier. Each type of pliers is designed for specific tasks, and having the right tool for the job can save you time and frustration. From gripping and holding to cutting and bending, pliers are essential for any repair work. Investing in a good set of pliers will pay off in the long run, as they'll help you complete tasks more efficiently and effectively. Plus, they're relatively inexpensive, so there's no reason not to have a good set in your toolbox. You don't have to break the bank to get a quality set of pliers, and the benefits they provide far outweigh the cost. Whether you're a professional or a hobbyist, having a reliable set of pliers will make your work easier and more enjoyable. So, make sure to add a versatile pliers set to your collection and be prepared for any repair challenge that comes your way. And there you have it, the top 5 tools every car owner needs for DIY repairs. Make sure to have these in your toolbox and you'll be ready for any car repair that comes your way. Remember guys, with the right tools and a little bit of knowledge, you can tackle those repairs yourself and save a ton of money in the process. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more car repair tips and tricks.